so it's been about a week. I got the new half shaft in. It is very cold out right now, but I need to put this in because I want to drive the car. It's like 38 degrees, I think, so I gotta bundle up and then I can throw this in there. But that does mean not a lot of commentary is going to be happening here, so ASMR time or something. So as we can see here, this is not supposed to be like this. We saw the other one. Yeah, so this part is supposed to be over here, and now it's over here. And that is completely fried. So I might need a new axle as well. Actually, maybe not, unless this fully broke it. You can see it there, it's completely off center. That's why I could literally just put the engine first and just rev it. Yeah, it's also very wet down here. I need to do my valve cover soon. So this axle was cracking back when I was rebuilding the engine. Didn't think much of it, but now it's like squirting grease everywhere. So I guess while I'm in here, I might as well just replace that as well. Isn't going very well so far. Struggling to get that off. I'll probably rent a tool from the place that I buy the axle from. See how that goes. Alright, so AutoZone has it, which means I will have to go drive a bit and I might have to do the rest of this while it's dark out. Yippee. We got the loot. This is really annoying to get to. Yeah, there's just 3 bolts holding it up there. 1, 2, and another one that's already come out. Oh, this is such a pain. So, simply put, this is not supposed to be moving around like that. Yeah, so it's just smoked. This is supposed to be up here, but it's not. This is supposed to be in there. Yeah. So, clearly, this is busted. I'm not entirely sure how to get that out or anything. Oof. Come on there, buddy. Come on. You got it. You got it, bud. Go on in. Right on in there. Doesn't seem to want to go in. I should just go right in. Oh, it's spinning. Alright. So I can spin the axle from the other tire. But the bolt holes aren't matching up. Which means it doesn't want to go in all the way. It's a real pain in the ass. I tell you what. Come on, nobody. Where's the hammer? Fuck that. I can't reach it. Come on. Yep. There we go. Okay. Please don't break. Actually, yeah, I don't want to do that. I don't know how I go about getting this in there. It should just go right in. Ah, damn, this is tiring. I'm getting so dirty. Goddamn fall. Okay. Come on. Come on, guy, you got it. Oh, fuck. Alright, lads, so I was trying to install the new one, and for some reason, it kept leaving like a millimeter or two gap in the transmission, and the bracket wouldn't line up right with the mounting holes. So I started looking around, and I realized that the aftermarket ones, these splines go to full height almost immediately, while the old ones have like a slight slope to them. And I believe that is what is causing it to just not go in all the way to the differential. So what I've been doing is I've been sanding or shaving them down a bit to hopefully be able to get this to slide in. I'm slightly worried about shaving too much off, so I'll probably go back and forth. But right now it's freezing cold out, 30-mile-an-hour gust of winds, so I'm taking a break for the day. I'll probably come back tomorrow morning or the next day when it's a bit warmer and try to put this in again. Whoop whoop.